Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can find the least used keys on your Windows 10 PC. To find the least used keys on your Windows 10 PC, you need to download and run a free app called Key Counter. When running this app, you can choose which keys you can monitor for usage. The app comes with different groups of keys that you can monitor, but if you want to monitor all the keys on your keyboard, what you should do is select the All the Above Keys option on this window and then click Add Keys to the list. And that's going to add every single key that's on your keyboard to the monitoring list. Click Start Monitoring and minimize the app to the system tray. When you're done monitoring your keyboard usage, you want to open the app and then click Stop Monitoring. Once you stop monitoring, you're going to get this column on the left that lists all the keys on your keyboard and the number of times it's been pressed during the period that it was monitored for. Go ahead and use this information to decide which keys you can spare for hotkeys or keyboard shortcuts and which keys you absolutely need for your basic everyday tasks. To get an accurate idea of which keys you use the most and which keys you use the least, you should run the app for at least one day or a week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.